gotta focus on yourself, on your faith, on your dreams, on your mind, on your health, yeah. You gotta work, never tell, keep your head down, find what you love and excel, yeah. Push and pull.
Hey everyone, just looking at this table packed with red magic gear, you probably already know what today's video is about. Yep, I'm finally unboxing the 11th generation Red Magic, the True Gold Legend Edition, which I picked up at yesterday's event. The configuration on this Golden Saga edition is exactly what we've seen before. The familiar 24GB RAM paired with 1TB of storage. Alright, no more waiting, let's get straight into the unboxing. By the way, today's unbox is FS's new product called the Great Light. Okay. Knife aside, as soon as I open the box, the first thing that jumps out is the slogan, "Rising with the Wind." That's this generation's official tagline, mainly highlighting the upgraded fan and water cooling system. Around the back, as usual, we've got all the product configuration details. Let's find a good angle and open this up properly. Alright, you can already tell the packaging is really premium. Let's peel off this outer wrapping first. Now I'll show you the box itself. You can see that carbon fiber texture along with the silver red film logo. Let's open it up. There's a card placed here at a really convenient angle for easy removal. My serial number this time is 592, which is a bit later than my last one. Just to be clear, these serial numbers are totally random and don't really reflect purchase order. On the right is my previous 10th generation card, which was number 251. This new one is from the 11th generation, and you'll notice it has an extra laser-etched 11 compared to the older version. Funny enough, 592 also matches Xiamen, not the area code, but the first 4 digits of the landline, 0592. It's a number I happen to like. Let's flip it over. The backs of both cards look basically identical. Okay, we'll set that aside for now. If you attended the launch event in person, there's also a bonus item, a tiny iris chip. You can see it clearly here. It's a 0.1 gram chip engraved with True Gold Legend. On the back is the chip's serial number, and mine happens to be number 3. It also says, "Prosperous and Flourishing." Alright, now that we've covered the official product items, let's take the phone out and set it aside for a moment. Following cow gaze approach, let's check out the rest of the accessories in the box. First up should be the charging head. Yep, this is a custom charger with the Golden Saga logo and a Hongxian style shell. Next is the custom cooler. This is the Cooler 6 Pro. You can see how closely it matches the True Gold series design. There's lots of carbon fiber texture and material here, plus subtle gold accents, which really fit the overall theme. Okay, we'll put that box aside. This next box should be the cables. Inside, there are 2 of them. One comes with the Golden Saga logo, and the other... Wait, this one actually has the Red Magic logo. Alright, we'll set these aside too. And finally, this last package should contain the protective case and some paperwork. Let's open it up. Here it is. The Golden Saga series signature gold SIM card ejector tool. I honestly love this thing. It's super shiny and looks amazing. Let me show it to you up close. Seriously, what do you think this would go for if it were sold separately? Inside this package, you'll also find the warranty card and the cooler's user manual. Alright, let's move this paperwork out of the way for now. Honestly, this part is exactly the same as the previous generation. Since this product line has only been released twice so far, it's basically identical to last time. The case this time isn't a full coverage design, it's more of a partial wrap, mainly protecting the top and bottom edges. It's a carbon fiber phone case with a gold iris logo. The entire case is made from carbon fiber and it has a slightly matte, frosted texture instead of a glossy finish. It actually feels pretty nice in hand. Alright, let's set aside for a moment. Just like before, this phone case comes included in the box. You can also get it through the True Gold Butler, which is Red Magic's exclusive VIP service. That program should give you 2 extra phone cases and 2 screen protectors every year. I believe it's 2, though I'm not 100% sure if that policy has changed. Okay, we've gone through all the accessories now, so let's move the packaging out of the way and focus on today's main star, the new generation device. This model was originally expected to launch in October 2025, but instead it's coming out as a brand new product in 2026. It's positioned as a flagship level gaming phone. The price is 9,899 yuan, which works out to roughly 1,040 pounds in the UK and about $1,470 in the US. Take a look at the mid-frame. It's finished in mirrored silver with gold-plated accents. That silver frame combined with the gold detailing looks super shiny and premium. All right, let's power it on. Give it a second. Okay, what you're seeing here is the latest Hongmo 11 Calm Point Long Edition. Right now, this is the brightness level I normally use day to day. Let me switch on sunlight mode and turn off auto brightness. You can also see the color temperature and color modes here. This is how the display looks under these settings. Now let's compare it with the previous generation, the first Golden Saga from over a year ago. Honestly, the biggest upgrades between these two are the water cooling ring and the chipset. Other areas haven't changed much. The screen feels very similar, and overall the design hasn't shifted dramatically either. One noticeable change is the shoulder buttons. They're wider this time, which matches what we saw on the 11th generation 11 Pro. Also, remember the tablet I showed earlier, the Feilong Cao Ge Signature Edition? It now has an extra autograph. This is the signature from the aerospace general manager. I was really honored that he noticed the tablet I brought and was willing to sign it during the offline event. That definitely makes this tablet even more special to me. Not long after that, I also received the latest Real Gold tablet, which is a special True Gold edition. We'll be doing a separate unboxing video for that soon, where I'll show you all the differences between the new Real Gold version and the standard model. All right, that wraps up today's video. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.